Hey all, Will Healy here, and I just watched an awesome video that I'm going to share with you in a second from one of our really great partners at Universal Robots for collaborative welding. Their name is Hirebotics, and Hirebotics offers the Cobot Welder powered by Beacon. And this is a really powerful tool, and the video had a really powerful message in it that talked about just how easy things are to use. What I really loved about this video is they had Darren from PWI and Mark from 𝙀𝘼𝙎𝙬, and these guys really call out everything that's wrong about the statement easy to use. You know, salespeople kind of fluff it up or add some BS or make promises, or maybe the videos make it look easier than it actually is. But they were blown away. Two of the quotes were, "This was easier than we were told it would be." So even easier than the salesman said. And I was able to teach it and weld it in less than a minute. So really the power of the Hirebotics solution is that easy to program capability that they have in the Beacon software with the Cobot Welder. And so I'm going to let you see the whole video here, but I thought it was also really interesting, the quote that Mark said, "I didn't want to trade one skill set that's difficult to hire, welders, for another skill set that's difficult to hire, robot programmers." And so the power of the Cobot Welder and the power of the Beacon software to make it so easy to use is really what sold them on this. And I just thought it was really powerful. And then when it talks, and then Darren from PWI, he says, "I'm a certified welder and it's 60% better than I do in the quality of the weld." And the welds are beautiful. So I'll let you watch the video.
Hello, my name is Darren Miller. I'm from PWI here, and my role here is VP of Engineering.
My name is Mark Richards. I am the founder and CEO of 𝙀𝘼𝙎𝙬. We are a manufacturing company based in Charleston, South Carolina.
Often when you see a video of a product, they make it look just a little easier than it actually is. And this was a little easier than that.
When you buy something and you're made promises by the salespeople, you know or at least you expect there's a little bit of fluff or BS in there with regards to how easy it is to set up. Beyond expectation, it was actually easier than we were told it was going to be.
And I was watching them work, and finally I said, "It's my turn." I programmed it and welded it in, I think, a minute.
The reason we chose Hirebotics Cobot Welder was because of the ease of programming. I mean, quite frankly, I didn't want to, as an owner of a business, I didn't want to trade one skill set, which is welders, that's difficult to hire for, to another one, which would be programmers, which was also difficult to hire for. So we wanted a Cobot that was easy to set up, to be out of the box and be running within an hour or so, and that our folks on the shop floor could actually program with ease without struggling a little bit.
The quality of the welds, if 1 out of 10, is about 11.3, I would say. Now I'm a certified welder. This is about 60% better than I can do.
The welds are beautiful.
Okay, that was really great, right? I mean, powerful what they were able to do. It was really easy to use, and you know, the ability to boost productivity and drive consistency and really engage welders. You can see that in the ease of use of the Hirebotics solution. So I'll make sure there's some information down below, but until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?